In the previous video, I showed you how to find out an equation of a straight line when 2 points are in different quadrants. So it's easy when you have 2 points that are in the same quadrant here. But what happens when 1 point is in one quadrant? This is one quadrant here, and another point is let's say over here. So 1 point is in this quadrant, and this point is in another quadrant. So here you need to find out the gradient. So to find you need to develop your own way of finding out the height here. When it's in the same quadrant, then you would just get this height here. Well, for this height here, the way to work out this height here is different from the way you would work out the height when the 2 points are in different quadrants. So anyway, to find out the height here, you have to get this plus this. Up here you get one, take away the other, but here you would add. And then if you want to know the whole length here, you would have to get this and then add it to this. Well, anyway, the two methods will be different. So now it's your turn to have a go. Okay, so find out the equation of line that passes through this point and this point. So what that will look like is, well, -9 minus 5. -9 minus 5 will be here. -9 minus 5. So 1 point will be here in this quadrant, and this point here, 3, 7, 3, and then 7 up. So this point here, you see. Well, you now have your straight line here. Okay, it's supposed to be straight. And then, well, you've got to find out the height. The thing is, to find out this height here, you've got to get this, add it to this. Okay, but the thing is, when you look at the coordinates, they're all negatives and things like that. Well, you just got to find somehow. Just keep an eye on just concentrate on finding out on getting the method to find out the height for this height here, and then try and somehow get to this length here. Okay, and then if you wanted to know the gradient, then it's this gradient divided by this gradient. Okay, so now try and do this without the grid. So we are not going to use a grid. Okay, so try and do it without the grid. So in order to do it, let's just sketch it like this roughly. Okay, so this, well, -9 minus 5 minus, well, 0 here, 0 here. This is x, this is y. Okay, now just sketch it roughly. So -9 is a long way down here. -5, I'm going to guess somewhere around here. Okay, so this point here is -9 minus 5. So this is what you have to do if you were to answer this question. You don't need to draw a complicated grid. Okay, this one here, this point here, 3 is only a short way across, and 7 up is quite a long way up. So just do it like this: 3, 7. Now you've got 2 points here. Okay, and now you need to know the height here divided by the width here, and this is a positive gradient because it's going uphill. Well, anyway, you can steal my diagram here. You don't need to redraw it. No, actually, you redraw it. Okay, press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, let's draw the diagram here. -9, -5. I'm going to guess around here, and then 3 across, 7 up around here. So just draw a rough straight line. So this point here is -9. Hang on, -9 -5. This point here is 3, 7. Now we need to know the height because you jump to your y equals mx plus c because it's a straight line. Now we need to know the gradient. Okay, so the gradient. The thing is, we want to know this height divided by this width here. Now the height. Hang on, this is x, and this is y. This is x. This is y. Now I'm interested in because I'm interested in the height, I'm concerned with the y value. So I'm concerned with these two figures here. Now 7 up, okay, and then 5 down. Well, I know that this height here would be 12. Now I'm interested in the acrossness, if you like. So I'm interested in the x here and the x here, even though there's a minus in there. Just ignore the minus for the time being. Just keep an eye on this line here. You want to know this length. So how would you find this length? Well, it's going to be 3 across here, and I know it's negative, but it's going to be 9 down here. So basically, I'm interested in this figure and this figure here. I'm going to ignore the minus. So anyway, this thing here will be 3 plus 9, so that would be 12. Okay, 12. Oh look, it's 12 up and 12 across. So it's going to be a gradient of 1, because the gradient here would be 12 over 12. Okay, which is 1. Okay, so the gradient here, and it's a positive gradient as well. So we can put the 1 into the m. Okay, so this will be 1 times x. Well, 1 times x is just x plus c. So our equation is actually quite simple, but we still need to know c. So now let's select. We could either use this point or this point here. Well, avoid negatives. You use these 2 points here. This 3 here is your x. The 7 here is your y. So put the 3 into the x, and then put the 7 into the y here. Just so that you can find out c. So it will be 7 equals 3 plus c. So now I'm just going to visualize it like this. Kill off the 3 so that c could be on its own. So take away 3 from both sides. That would be 4. So c equals 4. Now we can put the 4 back into our equation here. Okay. So the final line would be y equals x plus 4. Okay. This is our line. This is our equation. Okay.